Welcome back to another musket powder seasoning recipe. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a standing rib roast. Start by butchering your roast as necessary. If your roast is a larger piece than needed, cut an appropriate sized portion for your roast and keep the extra to cut into either 1-inch steaks or save for a smaller roast in the future. Brush the roast with spicy brown mustard and completely cover with Musket powder black label seasoning. Once finished, transfer to a high-walled cooking vessel and cover with aluminum foil. Transfer to a preheated 250-degree Fahrenheit oven. Cook until it has an internal temperature of 120 degrees. Once the target temperature has been reached, take it out of the oven and let it rest for about an hour. During this time, increase the oven temperature to 450 degrees. Return the roast uncovered to the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. This will achieve a nice seared exterior while keeping the inside a perfect medium rare. Take some of the drippings from your pan, pour them over the roast, and enjoy.